This indicator can make 68% of profit when reversal is found from the reversal automated signal. In this video, we are going to customize the best setting for this indicator. This indicator basically can shows the auto buy or sell signal. We will choose the best of optimized setting for this signal. We will customize the most suitable settings for 1-minute scalping strategy, 5-minute scalping strategy, 15-minute scalping strategy, and we will go through how to customize the best setting. Let's start. As you can see in the chart, the reversal signal can show reversal signal faster compared to MACD histogram. Reversal by Hassan Rafat is a sophisticated TradingView indicator designed to identify trend reversals using candlestick patterns. By analyzing these patterns, it generates accurate reversal signals, helping traders anticipate market shifts. This tool provides timely alerts for optimized entry and exit points, enhancing trading strategies. Ideal for both novice and experienced traders, Reversal by Hassan Rafat offers clear, actionable insights for improved trading performance and profitability. The MACD histogram is a popular TradingView indicator that visualizes the difference between the MACD line and the signal line. By plotting this difference as a histogram, it helps traders identify changes in momentum and potential trend reversals. Positive values indicate bullish momentum, while negative values signal bearish momentum. The MACD histogram is widely used for its simplicity and effectiveness in providing clear, actionable insights into market trends and price movements. In short, reversal determine using the candlestick pattern, while for MACD histogram uses moving average momentum to determine the trend. In this video, we will combine both of them to find the most suitable trading strategy. First, open up the indicator in the Indicator tab. Basically search for Reversal by Hassan Rafat. And also open up the indicator MACD histogram by Has 1988. Next, we will like to customize the setting for both of the indicator. For reversal indicator, for 1-minute scalping, you want quick signals to catch rapid movements. Candlestick loopback 10, confirm within 1. For 5-minute scalping, a slightly broader lookback can help filter out noise. Candlestick loopback 15, confirm within 2. For 15-minute scalping, a longer lookback period is useful to capture more significant reversals. Candlestick loopback 20, confirm within 3. You can have a reference using my setting to find the best trading strategy that suit your trading style. Next, we will try to study the chart. In the chart, basically we can see when the reversal signal are formed. We can start to plan for our trade. The signal are formed means that there can changes in candlestick momentum and price action. In this scenario, we can start to plot for our trading strategy. We can plan our trading with suitable cutlass and take profit. As currently the chart is in a sideways region. Basically, when sideways, the area will form a strong support region. As a result, we can plan the support or cutlass at there. Now the chart is at relative sideways region, so we can start to plan our risk-reward ratio. The risk-reward ratio must be more than 1 so that we can have a reward bias trade using the indicator signal. We can refer to past support and resistance with high volume accumulation area to determine our support and resistance. Based on this, if we are planning, we can take previous long time frame sideways as our resistance or take profit, and for support we will take this lower area as our support. Basically, this is how we can plan for our trading strategy. We can try out this indicator with another reversal signal to backtest the reversal signal to suit for your trading strategy. If you want to learn more, you can check the next tutorial.